Here are 3 easy dumbbell exercises to work out your triceps. And stay tuned as I go through each of these movements step by step. Tricep kickbacks, Skullcrushers, standing tricep extensions, demonstrations. To perform tricep kickbacks, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a pair of light dumbbells and get our feet shoulder width apart, get a slight bend with our knees and push our hips back so our body is about 45 degrees towards the ground. Pull our elbows back so they're in line with our torso. And we're gonna keep those elbows in place as we extend those arms. Then we're gonna come back to starting position. To perform the dumbbell skull crusher, you're gonna grab a pair of light to medium dumbbells. Go ahead and take a seat on the bench. Make sure your butt and your head is resting on the bench and have those heels planted firmly on the ground. Then you're going to extend those arms so they're right above the shoulders, and then you're gonna keep those elbows in place as you bend and lower the dumbbells right over your forehead. Then you're gonna extend up, come down, up, come down. To perform the standing dumbbell tricep extension, you want to grab a medium to heavy dumbbell, and you're going to start by wrapping your fingers and thumb around the top of that dumbbell head. So your thumbs are underneath and your fingers are right here above. You're going to get your feet shoulder width apart. Then you're going to press the dumbbell overhead with those elbows facing forward. You're going to keep those elbows right in place as you bend until those forearms touch those biceps, and then you're going to extend back up, down, and then up. Be sure to check out the rest of my channel for more exercise and equipment demonstrations. Thanks for watching.